Good morning, students. How you are? Yes, I hope all are fine in the home. Yes, in the last class, what you have started? Kinds of noun. Which are the kinds of noun you studied in the previous class? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. These are finished in the last class. Is it right? Proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun, then collective noun. This much we have finished in the previous class. Let's see once again. Before going to start another kinds of noun, you have to recalculate. Okay, just remember. So proper noun means particular name of the person, place or thing, that is called proper noun. For example, Ashok, Australia, Ramu, Sita, India. So these are proper names. Ashok, Australia, Ramu, Sita, India. Those are particular names. Okay, then common: student, boy, girl, teacher, teacher. Then driver, engineer. See, these are what? Common noun. These are called what? Common noun. So material means name of thing. For example, pen, paper, chalk, chair, table. See, these are what? Name of things. Then abstract noun means we can't touch, we can see. We can't touch, we can't see, only we feel, only we can understand. For example, here, honesty, poverty, okay, richness, sadness, so courage, strength. See, these are abstract noun. So collective noun means group of people or thing or animals or birds. That is called a collective noun. For example, family, team, bunch, bundle, pack, band, swarm. See here, all these are what? Group of person, place or things. Library, library, class. Okay, see here, these are collective noun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಸೂಚಿಸಲ್ಪಡುವ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ, ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳದ ಹೆಸರು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್. ಸೊ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Material means what? Name of thing, that is called a material noun. That like abstract noun. Abstract noun means ನಾವು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So sky, okay, sky you can see. Okay, so abstract noun, it means we can't touch, we can't see, only we feel, only we can understand. Those are abstract noun. For example, here, honesty, poverty, richness, sadness, courage, or strength. So then go to the collective noun. Collective noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ, ಪಕ್ಷಿಯ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ, ಸ್ಥಳದ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಟೀಮ್, bunch, bundle, pack, band, swarm, library, class. These are example of collective noun. अर्थ आयतಲ್ಲ? Is it understand? So it is the difference between proper to common, common to material, then material to abstract, then abstract to collective noun. These are the difference between kinds of noun. Let us see another kinds of noun is there. What is that? Let's see next one. Yes, next one is what? Countable noun. Countable noun. Yes, before going to start that, what is it? What is it? It is a marker. How you write it? It is a marker. See here. It is a marker. Okay. What it is? It is a marker. See now, how many markers I have? 3 markers. 3 markers. See here. How to write? I have 3 markers. Is it countable? Can you count? 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, or 4 markers I have. Is it countable thing? Can you count it? For example, this pen, 1 pen, 2 pens. Is it right? Is it countable? Is it possible to count? ಎಣಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? 1 2 ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎಣಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Is it possible to count? Okay, let's see. What is countable noun? What is countable noun? Just write down the definition. A countable noun is the name of thing, that can be counted into singular or plural. Singular or plural. What is the meaning of countable noun? A countable noun is name of what? Thing. Name of thing that can be counted into the singular and plural. It means it is a singular, it is plural. So this like you can count. So that is called a countable noun. This is thing na. What it is? Marker. Now 2 markers. This like can you count it? ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 1 marker 2 marker ಅಂತ. Maybe that is singular or plural. Either singular or plural, whatever it may be, you can count. That is called a countable noun. That is called what? A countable noun. For example, pen, book, chair, table, okay, computer, door, tree, flower. Is it? Bottle, mouse, then button, is it? Student, teacher, okay, is it? Man, woman. See here, can you count? Pen, 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens. Can you count it? ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಣಿಸ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಒನ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. Now two pens. It means what you are doing? You are counting. You are doing counting na. So it is called countable noun. Count ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಅದು singular ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ plural ಇರಲಿ, whatever it may be. Is it countable thing? ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? You are counting the pens. You are counting the pens. One pen, two pens, three pens. Then one marker, two markers, then three markers. Is it? What you are doing? You are counting. These are things. Okay. Let's see next. Book. For example, here one book is there. Now two books are there. Is it countable thing? Is it countable? Is it possible to count these are? Yes, one book, two book. Is it possible? Okay. ಎನ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾನೆ? ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಕ ಎರಡು ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಎನ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Is it possible? Yes. Pencil, one pencil, two pencil, three pencils, then one bottle, two bottles, three bottles. Okay. For example, duster, one duster, two dusters, three dusters. Then mouse, one mouse, two mouses, three mouse. Is it possible to count? For example, board, one board is there, two boards are there. Table, for example, table. Can you count the table? One table. Hey, just get me one table. Hey, get those tables. Maybe more than one. Hey, get three tables, chairs. Is it possible to count? ಎಣಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೌಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. ಪೆನ್, ಬುಕ್, ಚೇರ್, ಟೇಬಲ್, computer, door. Yes, one door is there, two doors are there, three doors are there. So tree, one tree is there. Okay. Flower, yes, I have one flower, I have two flowers. Is it? Then bottle, I told already, bottle. Mouse, button, one button, two button. Can you count it? Yes. Then student, one student is there, two students are there, three students are there. Can you count it? Okay. Then teachers, teacher, teacher is there, he is a teacher, there are teachers, one teacher is there, a teacher is there, teachers are there. Is it count? Okay. Then man, yes, one man is there, two men are there. Can you count? Yes. Woman, she is a woman, two women are there, those were women's. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. What you call that is a countable noun. Is it understand, students? Okay. Shall I continue? Okay, let's see. Next one is uncountable noun. Next one is the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. So let's see what is uncountable noun. Uncountable, actually an uncountable an uncountable noun is the name of a thing, that can that cannot be okay, cannot be counted, cannot be counted. See here, countable means you can count the things, uncountable means those things we can't count. ಎಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್, ಎಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, in the bottle, what is in the bottle, what is there in the bottle, what is that? Ink is there na? Yes. Can you calculate 1 ink, 2 ink, 3 ink? Can you calculate this like? ಎಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ is it possible to count 1 2 3 4 this like? Do you make? ಎಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಣಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ, is it possible to count ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ? So not, highly impossible, totally impossible to count. So example, ink, ink, okay, water, okay, sky, okay, stars, stars, okay, stars, then money, milk, sugar, sugar, butter, okay, then tea, air, oxygen, oxygen, so coffee, honesty, some qualities, honesty, okay, knowledge, sleep, some actions are there, drink. See here, all these are uncountable noun. All these are called what? Uncountable noun. How is it possible to count? Ink, 1 ink, 2 ink, 3 ink, highly impossible. Water, can you calculate 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters? Can you calculate? Yes, no. Sky, can you calculate 1 sky is there, 2 skies are there? No. Is it also not possible? Then stars, can you calculate stars? 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, this like, can you calculate? ಎನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳನ್ನ? ಓಕೆ. ಮನಿ, ಹಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ಎನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು? ಹಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮನೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ is there. Milk, what type of noun? That is also uncountable noun. How do you say? Because you can't count the milk. 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk. Is it right? Is it possible? No, it is impossible to count the milk. Then sugar, can you calculate 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar, this like? Is it also not possible? Then butter na ಎಣಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Is it possible to calculate that? No. Then tea, ನೀವು ಕುಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಟೀ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Let's continue. Tea, air, oxygen, coffee, these are some qualities and actions. These are some qualities or actions that is also considered uncountable noun. Here, air, abstract noun it is. Then oxygen, you can't see, you can't touch, it is also abstract noun. Here, honesty, knowledge, these are what? Abstract noun. Sleep, drink, these are what? Actions. These are called what? Actions. Does it understand? Which things we can count, that is called countable noun. Which things we can't count, that is called uncountable noun. Is it understand? Okay, let's take the homework. See here. Room, room, water, water, milk, milk, news, child, okay, food, bread, food, bread, woman, pen, okay, pencil, chair, so shop, butter. See, what do you do? Just you have to write in front of the words is countable or uncountable. If that is countable, you have to write C after the word. Okay. If that is not countable, you have to write U. For example, room. It is a countable noun. See, this like we have to do. Okay. Is it understand? It is the homework. Yes, is it understand? You have to write which it is, countable or uncountable. Countable or countable. If the countable is there, just you have to write C. If that is uncountable, you have to write U. Is it understand? It is the homework. C and U. You have to write. Okay, see you in the next class. Is it understand? ಅದು ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಯು ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಯು ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. It is your homework. Is it understand? Okay, see you in the next class. Until take care of yours.